Hello everyone, welcome to Arising 3DP. Today I'll share a tip of printing vases. The vase is printed in a single circle when in the vase mode. We should choose a nozzle with the right diameter. If your vase is large, you should choose a nozzle with the larger diameter. It ensures the strongness of vase. We are a professional supplier of 3D printers. See you next time.